Good morning. Good morning. All right. Hmm. 406 is basically support, and then 410 to 412 is a major resistance zone. So we basically just have to see how the market is going to respond. Tomorrow we have CPI data coming out in the morning, so definitely overnight you don't want to hold anything too aggressive, right? And then Wednesday morning we have PPI data coming out, so overnight swings are probably going to be very, very risky. It's not worth it, in my opinion. So let's just see how the market responds for now. We can see the IWM is relatively strong, even though that this week a lot of railroad workers are going on strike. That is almost 100% going to affect the IWM's price as they go on strike, because that's going to cause supply and demand issues, because if the guys working on the transportation are on strike, not gonna be too good. Resistance was 410 to 412, but at this point in time, it makes sense to start scaling into longer term puts. So regardless of what we're doing intraday, our little day trades that we're doing, it makes clear sense to start scaling into longer term puts. Just waiting for a good close and a good setup. Obviously the market is ripping. I didn't enter into anything yet. Good morning, guys. And now we wait. So what we're doing is we're trading the 0 DTE contracts on the SPY. So we're trading the options. And just waiting for a nice, clean, safer sort of setup to enter. Hmm. I think we just missed a really good safe put opportunity. Could have went short high of day. All right. Apple is making a new high day. Let's see if we can break above 160.50. If it starts breaking above 160.50, then this could be a good dip buying opportunity on the SPY. But so far, we're breaking below low of day. Would have been a really easy shorting opportunity at the top. All right. I'm about to grab at the money SPY puts with a 409.11 stop. I'm about to grab them. I'm being greedy. I want another pop upwards, but yeah, it doesn't look like we're about to get that. So I'm gonna get into light SPY puts 409.11 stop. Very nice and safe, tight play. If we close above 409.11, I'm gonna stop out of these. Oh, Apple is showing a lot of strength. It's breaking above 160.50. It wicked above, so that is interesting. All right, we're gonna have to close these. They're down 8%, but yeah, we're gonna close these out here. Unfortunately, but this was a very nice small little play to see the whether or not we would fall lower, but clearly not. New high of day. Let's see if we can get a close above high of day. I want to go short again. Yeah, I'm gonna go short again, light. Basically, I'm looking for 409.50 as a stop loss, and 1 second. Because these wicks that we're getting aren't bullish, but clearly the price action is very bullish. So I'm trying to see if it's worth trying to short here. Nice. Interesting strength. Nice. Okay, you had day. Let's see if we get a close above 409.50. Gonna go short light with 409.50 stop. High of day stop. But it seems like as long as we're staying above 409.11 on the SPY, things look very bullish. So this could fall to 409.11, but 409.11 clearly looks like very strong support. On the NASDAQ, 309.10 also looks like very strong support. But this is another tight little play. Even if it doesn't work, we're not going to lose too much. So I think it's worth taking a stab at it. Especially on the daily as we get closer to support. it makes sense to take these stabs. All right. If we get a close above high of day, then I'm gonna sell. We didn't close above high of day, so I'm still holding. The IWM is trading below VWAP. Apple is hovering around support. The NASDAQ is falling a bit as well. Let's see. Ooh, Apple is starting to crack, but the rest of the market is showing strength, which is interesting. All right, we're gonna close out of these as well. We still didn't really get a close above high of day, but whatever. Yeah, let's just close out of these. The momentum looks pretty bullish. So this is a 12% loss. All right. Wow, popping strength. Popping strength coming out of the market. Current. We're sitting at a lot of levels of resistance here. So to see us just churn through them is interesting. But 410 is like a really, really major one. But nice. Reversed it. 410 on the dot. They reversed off of 410. I'm gonna go long 409.55. Stop on the SPY. 409.50. So another tight play. If it gets reversed here, that's fine. But you have to take stabs. You have to take trades when they're given to you. The NASDAQ is still showing strength above support. The SPY is still clearly showing strength. Apple is showing strength. Tesla is showing strength. Everything is showing strength. So Got to do what you got to do. Let's see if we get a nice crack above 410. The IWM is starting to show strength as well. The NASDAQ is still a little weak. If the NASDAQ, so basically the NASDAQ needs to break above 309.90. So basically it needs to break above 310. So this strength here out of the market, it's a good shorting opportunity, but there's a lot of strength. So on paper, all of these opportunities were pretty good shorts, but the momentum that we're seeing, you know, have to play it properly. As we're stagnating here, that's not good. So this minute is going to be very, very important. I want to see it close above high of day here, or in the next minute, we need to see it stay above 409.80. So the fact that we're stagnating like this is not a good sign. I don't like seeing stagnation at levels of resistance. So the longer that happens, the worse it'll be for a potential break of high of day. All right, but it's like we broke. So once again, this doesn't mean anything. We need to see it close above high of day. This wick doesn't mean anything. But this strength is coming out of the SPY because the IWM basically reversed. So definitely take some profits and basically just let runners ride. This looks like we're about to continue going higher. So now just solidify profits, manage your positions properly, and don't allow this to go red. That's the main thing. Just don't let this go red. You could do whatever you want. You could let it continue riding. We took two, like basically 10% losses today. So this is up almost 20%. And the IWM cracked above a new high of day. Yeah, if we went short again, because on paper, I'm telling you guys, on paper, it made sense to go short. But the strength was weird. So you have to be quick to adapt. And now you just let runners ride. Basically, you can keep a stop loss at around 409.80 for your runners and just enjoy life. They're still up 15%. You can still take profit if you haven't already. But don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Not every play is going to be a win. Yeah, if you're only holding one contract, when you're up 15, 20%, that's, you know, you should be taking profits. And just look for the next play. The next safest play is going to be a break of the current high of day and a close above it. So that would be the next safe opportunity to go long, in my opinion. All right, if we get a close above this level of high of day, then damn, I'm not even sure if you should go long again. Let's see if the NASDAQ can close above. The NASDAQ is showing strength now. The IWM, clear victor today. The NASDAQ wicking at resistance, but a new high of day. So let's see. If the NASDAQ closes above 310, then uh-oh. All right, 410.50 is the next level of resistance on the SPY. Contracts are up 25%. All right. Contracts are up 30%. All right, now I'm about to take a good chunk of profits. So I wanted to basically make up for the morning's losses and profit a bit as well. So I think now is a good time to take some profits. We see a big green candle coming out of the NASDAQ, so the runners should be good. Looks like 410.60 is a major level of resistance on the SPY. If we break above that, then the next level of resistance is going to be 411. But definitely, yeah, I took a good amount of profit. Now we're holding the runner. Nice. Very, very nice. Contracts are up 36%, 40%. That worked out. Nice. So for runners, right, if you're holding multiple contracts, you don't. So obviously, if a contract is up like 50%, you know what? Before I even explain all that, so look, so basically for runners, what I do is I only sell them as we break below levels of support. So I don't usually sell them based off of percentage losses. So say for example, I'm up 60% on a runner. I'm going to hold that runner as long as the SPY remains above a certain price. If we close below that price, that's when I sell the runners. But to be safer, it makes more sense to sell and hold your runners according to percentages, because obviously you want to make more money. But I trade loose with my runner positions, and I hold levels of support. So there's that. So basically, we can see that the SPY is starting to test 411 here. Starting to test 411. Contracts are up 50%. Righty. We saw the strength out of Apple. We saw the strength out of Tesla. We saw the NASDAQ holding above 309.10. We saw the SPY holding above 409.11 and holding above 409.30. So you just have to take stabs. Imagine we missed this whole move up because we just kept on trying to short. Either I would have. No, I wouldn't have ended the stream, but yeah, thank God. People are about to start shorting, but this is going to melt up higher. And the people that are shorting are going to lose their money, and then most likely this is going to melt up to like 411.50 because people are trying to short 411, and it was too clear of a short. Similar to the early morning, it was too clear of a short, but yeah. On paper, 411 is a really good opportunity to go short, but in my opinion, I think they're not going to make it easy for people. Let's see. Contracts up 52%. So, all right. So as we're reversing from 411, right? 410.60 is going to be a major support level on the SPY. Wow. Wow, what a wick. Cool. Let me see some ones if you guys made money. Let me see some ones in the chat if you guys made money so far. Ones. Nice. Nice. Yeah, if you were only holding on to one contract and trading them at a time, then you know, it'd be harder to be in profit. But yeah, if you're holding on to multiple ones, good stuff. Nice. Glad it worked out. Nice. Yeah, this play helped us out a lot. So that's good. All right, so now I'm going to try to look for new plays. But this is, yeah, I'm happy to see that everyone made money. Nice. One and walk away. 1-1. Sorry I'm late. Oh, no problem. You're still holding. Damn, nice. Also, for TikTok, I'm gonna get I'm gonna start might get a mic. But yeah, right now there's too much noise from the laptop. So we're going to see. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get something to make the noise so that you guys don't hear the noise. I've got a mic for you know, for YouTube and Twitch and Facebook streaming, but yeah. Okay, so 410.60 is holding a support on the SPY. You guys should be scaling into longer term puts, in my opinion. So don't forget, as we're hitting these highs at 410, 411, these are good opportunities to get into longer term puts. If you have the capital, get them for a few months out. I want to go long again with 410.60 stop loss on the SPY. I'm going long, 410.60 stop loss on the SPY. Very, very tight. Still holding on to runners from the initial position. But yeah, let's see if we can consolidate and break above. We're like literally about 10 cents away. If it doesn't work out, doesn't work out. But this would be the time for them to pop it upwards. So either you can go long with that 410.60 stop, or you could go short with a stop loss at high of day. The better risk reward 100% is going long. But let's see if they reward bulls. Because technically, we're late bulls now. We're bulls that join the party late. So we need to see if they hold this level of support or not. All right, back to 411. This is a very, very important move here for the next minute. Yeah, like you guys should probably take some profits and not allow this to go red. I'm not sure. The contracts are moving up way too nicely. Doesn't make sense to me. If we shoot up $1 here, then we're gonna be rich. But let's see. So then what most likely is going to end up happening is if they don't want people to become rich, obviously, which they don't, they're going to hold this around this level as long as possible so that the option contract is not going to give as much value, basically. So let's see. NASDAQ new high of day. Let's see if we can get a close above high of day on the NASDAQ. IWM is holding support. SPY is at resistance. Yeah, so they're just going to keep this around here because we were making way too much money in a very short amount of time. Yeah, if you're holding one contract, you should probably take some profits. Don't allow this to go red. But if you want to be risky, 410.60 is a good stop. But this was already up. Best bullish case would be as if we break below 410.60, and then find support somewhere at, around 410.30 to 410.40. By that point, everyone would be bearish, and then it would be a good opportunity to rip it higher. Yeah, unfortunately, they need to even out the contract price because we already had like a really, really big abrupt move earlier on in the morning. And then based off of this pop that we just saw, it was like a very, very aggressive increase in the contract price. And that's not what they wanted. So when that happens, expect stagnation to even the price out and stuff. So yeah. Aside from that, now we just wait. So now in this instance, when they're evening out the option price, usually when we stagnate at resistance, it's not a good sign. But if we're stagnating at resistance only because we shot up an option value very quickly in this circumstance, in my opinion, usually when this happens, it's a much more bullish case. So usually, obviously, you don't take calls at resistance, but we're holding above 410.60. And yeah, there were multiple opportunities to get out and with a profit. So yeah, that was a pretty decent play. 410.60 basically just needs to hold as support. Contract value is still holding pretty decently. As we can see right now, the contracts are lower than where we bought it at, right? This is basically what they wanted. So now they can enter in a bit cheaper. And then below 410.60, it'll be even cheaper. And then from there, it would make sense for them to bounce it. But yeah, just have to wait and see. Once again, another opportunity to take some profits if you're holding on to one contract. We came back and tested resistance, but it looks like this was a decent little stagnation. But if you're unsure about holding calls, then you can hold on to something a few days out. Not the 0 DTEs, but these are profitable. And we're having trouble at 411 resistance. So don't. I mean, yeah, man. Just have to wait with these. But if you're holding one contract, Apple basically fell and bounced very aggressively. Tesla fell, bounced very aggressively. And now just things are basically holding support. The IWM is holding support. The NASDAQ is bouncing, holding support. Let's see if the SPY can hold and close above 411. So as you can see, we're at a higher price than we were initially when we entered. But the contract price is cheaper. So that's what they wanted. They waited this time to keep the option price from skyrocketing because they didn't want to reward late bulls. Because we were late bulls. Remember, we entered at support over here. And I told you guys we're late bulls. So we need to see how they respond to us. So they responded by stagnating us here. And then they dropped the contract price below where we entered, even though the price where we entered was higher. So I hope I'm making some sort of sense. I know it's a lot to take in at first, but the longer you guys are here, the more you guys will understand. All right, so the runners are up 60%. This play is up almost 20%. Now everybody has to be up money. Everybody has to be green today. So let's run the ones back up. So wow. We are at 411.50. But yeah, ones, that'd be great. Let me see some ones because I just gave another opportunity to go long. And now these contracts are up over 20%. The runners are 70%. 2 losses in a row doesn't mean anything. Shooters shoot. You have to just take as many good, high quality trades as possible. Adapt, readjust, go in for the kill. That's what we're doing. Nice. Ones. Very nice. You're welcome. You're welcome, Will. Glad I'm helping. You're up 64%. Nice. Good job, man. Good job. Drop some likes on the TikTok stream. If you guys are watching from the For You page, make sure you guys enter and show some love and support. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me. Make sure to like the stream on YouTube, Twitch. I have a Facebook page. Small losses for big wins. Absolutely. Yep. Yes, sir. Ones. Very nice. Very nice. These contracts are up almost 30%. The runners are up almost they're up over 70%. They're up almost 75. Damn. What a life. Ooh. Good stuff. Very nice. Very, very nice. No, we're not going short just yet. This app is tradingview.com. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Double tap the screen on TikTok. Drop some likes. What does that mean? What does what mean? Young Simba, I got you. What does that mean, W? It means, I guess in the context of this, it means a W play, like a win. What's up, 75%? The contract. So I alerted SPY calls. So SPY option contract calls. And those are up 75% for the people that were viewing. So I'm live day trading. So those contracts are up 75%. 80%. 82% actually. All right, 411. This is a very, 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 very major level of resistance here. 411.12, basically. We're here. So take profits. Take profits on everything. I don't want to. This is up over. Yeah, please. Like 412, super important resistance. So take profits. We had a good day. Don't force it. We were late bulls. We were late bulls to the party. 412 is a interesting level to go short against. Damn. I want to get some lotto puts. Basically, I'm gonna get into like 409 or 408 SPY puts. Damn. I really want to get into something out the money with a 412 stop. Damn, I can't fudge, bro. Missed a very, very easy shorting opportunity when it hit 411.70. But yeah, so yeah, guys, just make sure that you guys took profits. I'm looking for a new play. Damn, this is a really good shorting opportunity, but it's holding support so well. This is damn. This is actually another really good longing opportunity too. I said from a risk reward standpoint back here that going long absolutely made sense. Same concept over here, but over here it looks way more bearish. But the risk reward is bullish. Damn, trading is fun. Trading is so fun. Damn, I think we're gonna catch this top, man. I really want to catch the move down. Let's just wait. Let's just wait and be patient. Holding a Tesla call. Oh, nice. Probably up now. By the time you sent that message, we were trading down there, so. Tesla and Apple are basically consolidating and holding support, so that's actually pretty bullish for your Tesla call. But this is... Oh. Hello, 411.70. Wow. This is really, really strong. I'm gonna take SPY puts with a high day stop loss. Momentum is still very bullish. Yeah, everything reversed off of resistance, but momentum is still very, very bullish. But we caught it at this top candle here. A trade is a trade. It is what it is. Let's see what happens. See, like, we're falling, but we're wicking and we're holding support really, really well. So this is where late bears get ripped to the upside. So let's see what they do to late bears. Everyone shorting right now is a late bear. They're impulsively buying puts because they saw the weakness. We bought puts at the top because we saw weakness here, so we're comfortable. But everyone else, let's see if they're going to reward these late bears on a very, very bullish day like this. Let's see. The contracts are up nicely, so you guys should already be up nicely. They shot up almost 10%, so definitely do not let this go red. But so far so good. We made it quick. Play to the downside, but let's see if we get more. Time to top at the exact like candle with like the exact perfect stop loss and everything. This was like a picture perfect trade, but momentum is still very, very bullish. Now we just wait. Contract's still up almost 10%. So if you're holding one contract, you should have already took profit. As soon as you see 10 to 15%, if you're holding one contract, automatically sell. That's why I'm looking for these other. That's why I'm trying to look for these other plays, because I'm cognizant of the fact that there's many people here that are only trading with one or two contract size. Because you guys are watching me, you're like, okay, he's a trader. All right, let me see how he is. So I'm trying to give you guys as many good, high quality trades as possible, so that you guys have multiple opportunities to make money. But the proof is in the pudding, baby. How do you determine your take profit? I determine it by either us touching a level, but my take profit is almost always solely determined by a percentage increase or decrease. Oh, snap. All right. This is not an opportunity to go short. Obviously, we just broke down below support, but this isn't an opportunity to go short. This could be a bear trap. But the contracts are up nicely. They did reward late bears. So I don't know if they're going to reward super late bears though. So yeah, this looks like a good longing opportunity. Yeah. Definitely, you guys should definitely start taking some profits. Definitely do not allow this to go red. This looks like a much better longing opportunity than it is to go short, so just be careful. We shorted at the top, right at resistance. So we're sitting comfy. But right now, if we didn't, so look, if we didn't go short at the top, and if we weren't holding puts, I would be going long here. I would have went long with a 411.20 24 stop loss. 22 411.22 stop loss. So I would have went long here. Probably should have, to be honest. All right, but it is what it is. Tesla is wilding out right now. Tesla looks really, really bullish. Looks like the market's about to make a new high. The NASDAQ. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. What are they doing? Oh man, that is brutal. They made it look so bullish, only to break it down below support and wick it lower. So everyone that went long here with a 411.20-ish stop loss or whatever. Oh my gosh. All right. All right, I'm taking profits. I'm going to let runners ride to 411. Overall, this is clearly a the market is still bullish and we're still holding above support. I'm not going to let these runners go red. If the market continues falling lower here, great. We went short. What's up, guys? Yeah, so we went short right on this candle. This is the 1 minute chart of the SPY. So we went short right here with a stop loss of high of day. So it was literally only about like 10-cent stop loss. So it was a very, very high quality trade setup. And now we're just riding the puts down. I don't really use indicators to trade. I have the 10, the 50, and the 200 simple moving averages on the chart. I have the VWAP on the chart. I have the Bollinger Bands on the chart. But truly, like, all I really do and pay attention to on the for scalps is I just look at the price action. This is the 1 minute chart. Wow. No, I mean, yeah, all of these still look like good buying opportunities. Even this weakness here, it doesn't look. I'm not complaining, man. These puts are up almost 20%. So yeah, the 1 minute time frame, nice. Jeez, man, we caught the top perfectly. Very, very nice. Who got in? Who got in on these shorts? Very, very nice, man. We caught it perfectly live. We caught it perfectly live, man. Woo. All right. You. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. That's great. You can't be emotional when you trade. How many days? The past 2 days, the first 2 trades that we entered were losses. So you have to control your emotions and just understand that trading is a game where you do lose sometimes, but you have to define how much you lose. That's the game. If you can define your risk and adhere to those, the more trades you make, the better. Because trading is just a math. Wow, that was disgusting. That was a very, very bad move for bulls. Everyone that just became bullish off of that pop, disastrous move. Wow. Let's see a close below 410.90. We didn't get a close though. We got a wick. Unfortunately. Contracts are still hovering around 20%. So if you're holding one contract, please get out. This looks like a damn. I want to go long. Oh man. Damn. I really want to go long right now with a 410.80 stop, but it just seems so unlikely. Like it's giving me pain to my body. So I'm not. I really want to go long, man. Damn. Oh, thank goodness. Just show me weakness so that I don't go long. The puts are up over 30%. All right, we're gonna go long with 410.80 stop on the SPY. If this doesn't work, it is what it is. But I feel like this could be a nice little bullish opportunity. We're still holding on to runners on the puts, but I want to see if this bounces off of 410.80. I think it could, because the NASDAQ is also trading near support. If we get a close below 410.80, then we're gonna close. But this is a really, really tight longing opportunity, literally less than 10 cents. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I just wanted to do it to get, I don't know, like it just feels like such an amazing longing opportunity. Okay, Apple is breaking support. All right. Yeah, so just sell out of these. No, don't tell me they're gonna bounce it off 70. Oh, nice. They bounced it off of 70 instead of 80. Oh well. Let's see if they actually break it above 411. I think that they do. But whatever. That was a really, really tight little trade. Didn't work out. And it is what it is. I would still go long. Again, 410.70 stop. But no. It's not worth it. We already made money today. We're just over trading at this point. I don't know why, but I don't like trading in the morning. It's a gamble. After 12 or so, I see a pattern. Yeah, but in the morning, that's when the most momentum is. So you can easily trade because that's when there's a lot of volume and things work out really, really well. Like we went short right at the minute over here. We're still holding on to puts. They're up almost 40%. And then we went long here. And then we went long over here. So there were multiple different opportunities for us to make money today. What else? Yeah. These little silly guys. Damn. I had a feeling that we were gonna bounce. But we closed out of those because we had to stick to our stop loss. We closed well below our 410.80. Basically, I wanted to see it hold these wicks, but the next candle we obviously closed right below it and closed out, and then they ripped it higher. But it is what it is. Not every trade and everything is gonna be perfect. But yeah, we closed out a little too tight. We were only down about 2 or 3% on the contract. Oh well. if you win every trade, you won't find anyone to take the other side. So you want to win, but not too much. Man, I'm trying to win every single trade, man. I don't like trying to be humble with trading. I want to win every single trade that we're in. If we don't win, fine, but I don't go into trades thinking, oh, you know, hopefully we lose. Hell no. But yeah, we missed out on this longing opportunity by a stop loss. It is what it is. But yeah, you can see why I wanted to go long so bad. Oh well. But yeah, overall profitable day regardless. Um yeah, cool. It looks like if 411 holds, we can see so currently I'd say anything above 410.60 on the SPY is bullish. If we break below 410.60 on the SPY, then obviously in my opinion that would be more bearish. So the bull bear line for today is 410.60 on the SPY. If you guys have a cash account, you're allowed to make multiple day trades per day. So I would really recommend transferring your account on whatever brokerage you use to a cash account. So say for example, you don't need $25,000 to make multiple day trades a day. And yeah, I trade Monday through Friday from 9:30 to at least 11. But yeah, I would really recommend everyone get a cash account. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, whatever. We're just talking about semantics at this point. Like, I understand. We both understand exactly what we're talking about, so it's cool. Yeah, you could do it on Robinhood as well, but Robinhood doesn't allow market orders, so it's risky. It's tougher to trade on Robinhood. Yeah, so at this point, since we missed longing opportunity, there's only two safer trades to make from what I can see right now. Is either we wait for a break above high day to see continued momentum, or we wait to see if we can break below these levels of support to see momentum down. Do you expect SPY to go lower? I look at. Wait, you could do market orders on options for Robinhood, and 412 is a very major level of resistance on the SPY. So that's why we basically went short. So now is not a time to go long. Even though we came back down to support, it's not a time to go long again. Doing overnight holds is going to be very risky for the next few days because we have a lot of like important economic data coming out in the morning for the next 2 days. So it's going to be risky to hold anything overnight. So yeah, it's not worth holding anything overnight the next few days. All right, so our puts are up nicely. Our puts are up very, very nice. We caught the exact top by the minute. So you could make market buy and market sell on a Robinhood cash account. I didn't know that. I thought you could only sell and buy at limit. It's interesting. So if you're late to shorts, you probably shouldn't enter anything. Or if you do want to enter, you would have a 410.75, 410.80 stop loss, which is about 20-30 cents away. Yeah, the puts are up nicely. Oh man. Yeah, we caught those perfect. Nice. No, I'm not gonna take my shirt off. You are wasting your time. Sorry. The expiry that I. Oh my god. What a beautiful short. Wow. Spectacular. Yeah, so now the SPY is sitting at VWAP. The IWM is sitting at 200 simple moving average. So now this is a very, very major level of support. So if you're holding a substantial amount of puts, you should start. You should, I mean, not even start. You should have taken profits already, but now is when you want to start taking a bit heavier. Whoever is still holding and hasn't sold anything, you're my hero. But that's, I don't want to promote bad trading habits. Yeah, I look at the crypto markets and everything as well. All right, guys. We made some solid trades. The puts are clearly working. We're still holding on to these puts, the runners. We can, if we break below 410, then we can see a new low of day, to be honest. But like I said, 410.60 is a very, very major important level for the SPY, and we're currently trading below 410.60. So that is good for our puts. But yeah, so look, 410.60 on the SPY and 310 on the NASDAQ. Two major important levels for today. Uh-oh. The SPY is starting to crack. Wow. Let's... Who got in? Who got into these puts? Who got into these puts? Because we got it at the exact minute. And damn, like, let me show the screen. This is filthy. Filthy move. What a high quality trade setup that we entered. Literally, if it didn't work, that was completely fine. But it was such a high quality trade setup. I'm just very happy that we entered on a good high quality trade. I'm not happy that it worked. Obviously, I'm happy about it, but we're taking really, really solid high quality trades, man. And some of them work, some of them don't. And oof, yeah, awesome. Nice. Very, very nice. You heard I got in right when you said got stopped out of those morning calls. Yeah, we all did. Wait, what morning calls? Are you talking about the first two plays that were small losses? Oh, you were making lunch at the time. I got in early for 11:50 and one. So happy you guys, but it's nice, nice. Check out the Forex Factory calendar. What is on it? What's going on? I know that CPI data is coming out tomorrow, and then PPI data is coming out the day afterward. But yeah, these Disgusting. I always set a level, a predefined level, that if we close below or close above it, then I use that as a stop loss. Either that or I adhere to a percentage stop loss. So yeah, you have to have a point where you automatically sell if it goes against you. You need to be okay with accepting losses and okay with accepting the fact that you're wrong. And that is one of the things that people have the most difficulty with, is accepting being wrong. And yeah, the stock market will humble you very, very quickly, because it's the most direct form of whether you're correct or not. You're either making money or you're losing money. All right, guys, I've got to head out. I'll be here tomorrow. I have a lot of things to do at the moment. I'll see you guys tomorrow around the same time. I hope you guys made money. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Definitely share this with your friends and share this with your family. Share this with people that you want to make money alongside you. Share this with people that are also interested in the stock market. The proof is in the pudding. We're going long and short literally at amazing times, and we're making money. So, and we're the only people doing this live for free. Options trading completely for free. I've never charged a dime for anything ever. And yeah, I'm the only person on the internet that is doing this. And not aside from that, there's other people in the Discord that are also sharing their trades completely for free as well. There's about 20 guys in the Discord that could make their own Discord servers. But we have a amazing community that's become a family at this point. And we're all learning and becoming better traders together. And it's a blessing. So if you guys want to join that as well, make sure to follow the link in my bio. Make sure to follow me on TikTok. I go live on TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, Instagram. I'm live everywhere. Make sure to follow me everywhere. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day. Be careful. 410.60 and 310 on the SPY and the NASDAQ are major bull bear lines. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow.